Want to find out how to make your own homemade wings in the oven without using a fryer? It's healthier and I think it tastes pretty good. Find out how on David's Flavor. So here's what we're gonna need. The first thing that we're gonna need is chicken wings. You can get the ones that are already cleaned up, meaning like you get the wing part of it and then you get the drumstick, what is called the drumstick. I like to get the ones that are all attached together.
Did you really just say you get the drumstick, what is called the drumstick?
Yeah, what is called the drumstick, basically.
Okay.
Well, you know what I mean. So what I do is I basically do this while I'm cooking them.
Crisscross?
I take a wing and I go behind the thigh or behind the drumstick with a wing and I turn them into like these wing triangles. So
it's a triangle, not a circle.
Yeah.
What are the ingredients we need?
The ingredients we need are chicken wings. We need buffalo sauce of your choice or
barbecue.
Yeah, or barbecue sauce. So we're going to be doing 50-50 split.
Okay.
We're also going to be doing salt and pepper, some extra virgin olive oil, diced garlic, and diced green onions. And that's pretty much all you need. And if you have a baking pan with a mesh thing, that would work, or you could use a pizza rack like we do so that juice from the chicken wings can drip down and they can get nice and crisp. First thing we're going to do is add a little bit of olive oil to the wings. Then we're going to put some garlic in here. This is previously diced up. So we got the garlic in there. And then salt and pepper. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna mix it. Just to get it nice and coated. And there's our little chef to be.
Ariana.
Hi.
Step away from the oven. You're not cooking today. Dad is.
All right, now that I have the wings coated with garlic, salt, and pepper, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a brush with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna brush it on this pan just so the wings don't stick. I'm gonna place them into the triangles that I'm like this, basically. And this, there we go.
Six buffalo and then
6 barbecue. And the reason I'm doing this way instead of just tossing it like in a bag or whatever is because I'm gonna be doing this throughout baking. I think it's gonna make it so much better if I go in there. Baby.
You mean like baking it in a bag?
No. So you toss it in the bag and then you put it on the pan.
Oh.
So that you don't have to do this. But I like doing this because number one, the bottom of it is not going to get burnt to the pan, the sauce of it. And then once it bakes a little here, it dries off, then I'll be able to just flip it and reapply. Because we are going to flip these. We're going to have to flip these. Oven should be preheated to 375, and we're going to flop these in. So our cooking time is about an hour for these at 375, but I'm going to wait until this sauce cooks off a little bit and then take them back out and re-sauce them. Here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them out real quick. So I flipped the barbecue first and I'm going to coat them first so that I don't mess up which one's which.
That's a good idea. I would have had half barbecue, half buffalo. Yes, can you make one? One for me.
Sure.
Half barbecue, half buffalo. And then you do the same thing with buffalo.
So you really want one with half buffalo, half barbecue?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't think it will taste good?
I don't know. We're gonna try it.
You won't find out. You won't find out until you try.
All right.
And then back in the oven for another 30 minutes.
Yep. Are you ready? Because this is gonna be good.
I am so ready.
All right, let's do this.
I smelled it all the way upstairs when I was putting our kid to bed.
Bam.
Ooh.
So they're actually nice and crispy. I am serving it with homemade ranch that's more of a yogurt based that I made. So if you want to find out how to make that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will have an upcoming video on that. And we put down some paper and some paprika on top for theatrics. And now we're gonna lay these beauties out.
And if you like wings, you don't have to. This is a healthier option. You can still have good flavor, enjoy some good wings without sacrificing your diet all the way. And let me tell you guys, they look crispy, they look delicious. Honestly, they look better than deep fried wings.
Sauce that you're using a little bit just to get that extra. There you go.
Just like that.
Tell me that doesn't look
Homemade,
delicious.
healthier version. Buffalo barbecue wings. Dig in.
So if you guys enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Later.